So I will be discussing about how to exploit broadcast receivers and activities in another video. For now, let's head back to our Android manifest.xml file. Now, to view the contents of this file, you can use a number of ways actually. The way that I use this tool called axmlprinter2.jar. First, you gotta copy this file into the folder where this tool is present in. Then you run this command. And I'm gonna send in the output to my text file. Alright, so what this will do is it will convert the contents. I'll be able to actually view, whatever the contents of this XML file is. Here it is. Open it to the text editor. Alright, so yeah, this is the package name of the application, and here you have the list of permissions that the application requests the user in order to install. Then you have activities here. You have the broadcast receivers. Yes, backup is true here. So what this means is that the application allows the user to create backups, of the user data. So we have to check if the data that is stored by the application is in the backup is in an encrypted format or not. If it isn't in an encrypted format, we'll have to reverse engineer and go through what the backup consists of. Go through all the files, or if it's one file, just look through it, see if any sensitive information is being stored in that file. If it indeed is, then we could totally report this. And again, the severity rating that we give for this vulnerability, the allow backup is equal to true vulnerability, depends on the information that we encounter. Like if it's credit card details or other user details that is sensitive, we have to report it, and I'm guessing the severity rating would be higher in this. But if you encounter information which isn't that severe, so you could give it as informational or low. Alright, so that covers the Android manifest file. Moving on to classes.dex files. Now what this file would consist of is all of the Java classes, the business logic behind the application. You'll find the source code and everything in this file. But once we try to view the code that's present inside this file, like to view the actual source code, we will not be able to decompile and view the actual source code, because it actually leads back to OEMs, alright, which are the manufacturers themselves. So these OEMs, what they do is they have implemented security measures, yes, so you will not be able to retrieve the actual application source code.